Good day, I'm John Albert Dumaya from 1BSBA 825 and I present to you the gene therapy and stem cell research. The objective of this topic is to know what are the effects of gene therapy and stem cell in our human health. Gene therapy is when DNA is introduced into a patient to treat a genetic disease. The new DNA usually contains a functioning gene to correct the effects of a disease-causing mutation. Gene therapy uses sections of DNA to treat or prevent disease. The DNA is carefully selected to the correct and effect of a mutated gene that is causing disease. The technique was first developed in 1972 but has, so far, had limited success in treating human diseases. Gene therapy may be a promising treatment option for some genetic diseases including muscular dystrophy and cystic fibrosis. There are two different types of gene therapy depending on which type cells are treated. Somatic therapy, transfer of a section of DNA to any cells of the body that doesn't produce sperm or eggs. Germline gene therapy, transfer of a section of DNA to cells that produce eggs or sperm. The biology of human gene therapy is very complex, and there are many techniques that still needed to be developed, and diseases that need to be understood more fully before gene therapy can be used appropriately. In addition, because gene therapy involves making changes to the body's genetic setup, it raises many unique ethical concerns. Scientific and ethical discussions about gene therapy began many years ago, but it was not until 1990 that the first approved human gene therapy clinical trial was initiated. This clinical was considered successful because it greatly improved the health and well-being of the few individuals who were treated during the trial. Stem cells originate from two main sources, adult body tissues and embryos. Scientists are also working on ways to develop stem cells from other cells using genetic reprogramming techniques. A person's body contains stem cells throughout their life. The body can use these stem cells whenever it needs them. Also called tissue-specific or somatic stem cells. Adult stem cells coexist throughout the body from the time an embryo develops. The cells are in non-specific state, but they are more specialized than embryonic stem cells. They remain in this state until the body needs them for a specific purpose, say, as skin or muscle cells. Day-to-day, living means the body is constantly renewing its tissues. In some parts of the body, such as the gut and bone marrow. Stem cell research offers great promise for understanding basic mechanism of human development and differentiation, as well as the hope for new treatments for diseases such as diabetes, spinal cord injury, Parkinson's disease, and microcardial infarction. However, human stem cells research also raises sharp ethical and political controversies. The derivation of long-prevented stem cell lines of octates and embryos is fraught with disputes about the onset of human personhood. The reprogramming of somatic cells to produce induced pluripotent stem cells avoid the ethical problems specific to embryonic stem cells research. In any research, however, difficult dilemmas arise regarding sensitive downstream research, consent to donate materials for H5C research.